He's looking around for some prey.
This is a fascinating looking praying mantis. Who found it?
Me. No, Dad.
Who are you?
Oh, yeah.
Look at me when I talk to you. Maria found this praying mantis. She's becoming a bug champion. Bug of the month. We have never seen a praying mantis. It looks like this.
Even has one horn.
Even has one horn. Oh, it's going right up into your face. You don't want it anymore?
It's coming up.
All right, Adele, you better save her. Save her, Adele.
Actually, I found it.
Oh, now the story starts. That was, oh no, it was actually, don't move, I'm trying to. Just a wild looking thing. Look at that.
I know.
Super cool. Look at on the back of it.
Yeah, it's the striped. And then we Green Bay Packer. Leave it to